Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Yajna, sacrifice, Jagadana Tapakriya. Human life is meant for performing yajna, giving charity and practice austerities. Three things. Human life means that. Human life does not mean to live like cats and dogs. That is failure. That kind of civilization, dog civilization, is failure of human life. Human life is meant for three things. Jagat dana tapakriya. One should know how to perform sacrifices, how to give in charity, and how to practice austerities. This is human life. So, Jagadana tapasya, in other ages, they were performing according to the means, just like in the Satyayuga, Valmiki Muni, he practiced austerities, meditation for 60,000 of years. At that time, people are living 100,000 of years. That is not possible now. Meditation was possible in those ages, but now it is not possible. Therefore, the Shastra recommends that Jaggai Sankirtanai Prai. You perform this Jagga, Sankirtan. So by performing Sankirtan Jagga, you can get the same result as Valmiki Muni got the result after meditation of 60,000 of years. You can have the same result simply by performing Sankirtan Jagga, maybe a few days. It is so kindness. So I am very glad that in the Western countries, especially in America, you fortunate boys and girls, you have joined in the Sankirtan Jagga. People are appreciating. I am also very much pleased. So, this Jagga, as you have taken the deity in buses, going to the interior and performing Jagga, continue this process until your whole country nationally accept this creed. They will accept. It is predicted by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prithivite ache jato nagaradi gram, sarvatra prachar hoibe more now. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu desired that in every village, every town, every county, every city, this Sankirtan movement will be there and people will feel obliged to see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. My Lord, you have given us so sublime thing. This is the prediction. Simply, we have to try our best. So it is not very difficult. You have installed the deity, take in different buses, and go from city to city, town to town, village to village, and you have got now experience, so expand this movement. As I have repeatedly told you, that your country, America, is fortunate and they require only this, Sankirtan, then they will be perfect. I was discussing so many things yesterday, perhaps you have seen in the paper, that a thorough overhauling required, spiritual overhauling. Now at the present moment things are going not very nicely. Materially, don't be sorry that this racing will not help us in our spiritual life. Materially be advanced, but don't forget your spiritual duty and spiritual identity. Then it is lost. Then it is samaeva kevalam. Simply working for nothing. Just like your moon expedition. It's simply waste of time and unnecessarily expenditure of money. So many billions of dollars you have spoiled, and what you have got? A little dust, that's all. Don't be foolish in that way. Just be practical. If such huge amount of money, dollars would have been spent in distributing this Krishna consciousness movement all over your country, then immense benefit would have been achieved. Anyway, we cannot say anything. Your money you can squander away. That is your business. But we request the authorities and the sane man that you take up the Sankirtan movement, especially in America, and expand this to other parts of the world, Europe, Asia. You have got already honor as the richest nation of the world. You have got intelligence, you have got everything. Just take up this movement, Hare Krishna movement, with patience and with diligence and intelligence. It is very easy, you are already experienced. Do not stop it, increase more and more. Your country will be happy and the whole world will be happy. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,